Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and here we discuss what are the comments, header files, constant and variables in C. Okay, so let us discuss it one by one. So first of all, what is comments in C? So in computer programming, a comment is a programmer readable explanation or annotation in the source code of a computer program. So programmer readable explanation means what? Okay, for any program, if we want to write explanation of this program or about this program, then we write this in comment section. Okay, comments are statements that are not executed by the compiler and interpreted. So it is not executed by compiler and interpreter. So there are two types of comments. First is single line comment and second one is multi-line comment. So in single line comment, it is written by double slash. Okay, so if we want to write single line comment, then we simply do double slash and write comment. But if we want to write multi-line comment, then this is a slash asterisk and then 2, 3 or how many lines you want to write, and then after for the end we have to write again asterisk and slash. So this is the syntax for single line comment and multi-line comments. Now next one is header files. So what is actually header files? A source code file that contains command functions and types that all programmers may use as per requirement is called a header file. So header file is nothing but the common functions which is written in that file, and all programmers want that function. So easily they include that header file and use that type of function. For example, printf and scanf. All programmers want in C language printf to print something and scanf for get input from user. So for that function, they can just include some header file and directly use it. Okay, header file use .h extension. Okay, so here there are three files listed. First one is stdio.h. So it is for standard input output. Just because we include stdio.h, we can use printf and scanf directly. Otherwise, we have to write separate code for it. Okay. And second one is math.h, which is used for mathematical functions. And the third one is conio.h, and this is for console input output. So these three header files are listed here for just an example. Okay. So next one is what is constant and what is variable in C. So constant means what? We cannot change value of it, which means it is not modifiable. We declare the variable with const keyword. Okay, so something that's value will never change during the execution of program is nothing but the constant. And how we declare that? Using const keyword. Okay, for example, const integer pi is equal to 3.14. Pi is pi variable. Okay, this pi, and this pi value is 3.14. So const is used to define this value as constant. Integer is a data type of pi, and 33.14 is the value for it. So this value will never change during the execution of program. Now what is variable? So a variable is nothing but a name given to a storage area that our programs can manipulate. So there is a particular storage area, and that storage area is given something name. That storage area holds some value. Okay, so for example, there is some place and we given that name to that place. Okay, so variable is nothing but a name to particular storage area. Each variable in C has a specific type which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory, the range of the values that can be stored within the memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. Okay, so now there is nothing like any type of variable. Okay, in C language each variable have a specific type. What is the useful of this type? That using this type, it's indicate that what is the size, what is the layout of the variable's memory, the range of the values that we can store in that variable, and then what is this operation we can perform on that variable. Okay, so this data type is important, or specific type. Okay, this is important for each and every variable. We cannot just simply say that pi. We have given a particular data type integer to pi. Okay, now the name of a variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore character. Okay, so what you should give a name to particular variable. So you can include letters, digits, and the underscore. Okay, so it must begin with either a letter or an underscore, but no, it cannot begin with letter. Just you cannot write one AB variable name. Just because digits are not possible to write begin in begin. Okay, so you cannot write 1 AB, but you can write AB1 or underscore AB. Okay, so this is the one rule to define a variable, that you have to write letters, digits, and underscore, but it must begin with either a letter or an underscore. Now upper and lowercase letter are distinct because C is case sensitive. The features of C, it indicates that the C language is case sensitive. That's why upper and lowercase letters are distinct. Okay, so if you write integer x, this is nothing but variable declaration. It means that we define variable name x and its type is integer. Next is integer x is equal to 20. It is initialization of variable, which means that we assign some value to that particular variable. So this is some space. We given that name, we given this space name x. Now this is nothing but variable declaration. But now we put something in it, 20. This is nothing but the variable initialization. Just we occupy space for something, then it is variable declaration. But we assign some value of it, then it is variable initialization. So this is the basic concept of C language. What is the comments, how it is written, what is the header files, what is the usefulness of it, where to use constant, and what is the variable. Okay, thank you.